buddy right here has got a nice little information about this little canyon part right here with the cave. What do we got here, Adam? I know you got something for me.
All right, so this is the Apache Trail. It was originally used by the Indians back in the 1800s. Cowboys started to use it too. This guy, his nickname was Hacksaw Tom, and he used to stay in that cave right there and hang out and wait for the stagecoach. You could see it either which way coming. And so from that cave, you got a great perspective. And as soon as the stagecoach was coming, he would hop out of the cave and rob the people in the stagecoach. And the legend has it, he never shot anyone, and he never got caught.
What? Here we go, baby! Out on the trail again. Got the homie Adam with me today. Got the new rider. So, outside of the Superstitious Saloon right there. But yeah, about to hit up this Apache Trail right now. And then, look at this! Woohoo! But yeah, Apache Trail, baby. Let's go! Woohoo! Oh. We are going uphill, baby. Woohoo! People be coming around these corners hot, baby. But going up the road to Apache Trail. Nice little scenic view. Look at this. Don't look too hard. Watch the road. Ooh. Got the cool little cars right there. Oh. Look at this. Oh, here we go. Canyon Lake, baby. What? Ooh, nice tight turns. Look at the water down there, baby. Woohoo! Oh! Here we go. Look at that. People out there on the jet skis. About to cross the bridge right here. What? Look at this. Oh, someone down on the boat with his doggy. Oh, that ain't a dog. Oh, I just seen their leg. Looked like a hairy leg. But he's just wearing khakis. Got the street bikes, baby. Okay. Oh, and then they go. Look at that. Somebody flying a kite. Oh. Look, people down at the docks down there. Okay. Bunch of campsites out, or not campsites, but lunch tables. Where's this one? Go. Got the one-lane bridge on this bad boy. Got the Canyon Lake Trailhead Parking, Canyon Lake Recreation Area. Past the marina right here. Cool. Got the Boulder Canyon Trail. You can only hike it. Oh, look at this. Tortilla Flats, 2 miles. Apache Lake 17. Look at this. We're gonna go all the way down to the bottom. Ooh, look at that one. Look at this. Got the Superstition Saloon. Whoo, look at that one.
Pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Spectacular.
Well, probably put in.
Scenery around here is just epic. I mean, just amazing.
Yeah, honestly, that out there, wow. Man, that wind is nasty. Look at this. Woohoo! Alrighty. No pavement next 22 miles. Look at this. Here we go, baby. Oh, someone lost a glove. Woohoo! Hey, found the other adventure rider.
Oh, let's try and catch up with that guy. He's got an off-roader.
Woo, that wind is crazy right now. Look at that view. Wow, that thing goes down, down. Woohoo! Look at this view though. Oh, look at that dust though. Woohoo! That's windy as heck up here. Oh wow, look at this. This is insane. Woohoo, look at this. Oh, look at that dead snake. Gonna run over. Oh wow, look at that, the little guardrail where somebody went off. Woohoo! Look at that view. Woohoo! This is just going down, down, going down, man. Probably going to a lower gear. And here we go. Woohoo! Dude, that is a drop. Wow. Look at this view though. Oh, you got the 1-lane bridge half a mile ahead. Wow. This view is insane. Look at this. Oh, then we got a Jeep coming up. Got the old Gladiator. Gotta take it slow. Hell yeah. Then you got the F-150 right here. Oh, with the... Wow. The droppy drop bridge. Hell yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. So my buddy right here's got a nice little information about this little canyon part right here with the cave. So here we go. What do we got here, Adam? I know you got something for me.
All right, so this is the Apache Trail. It was originally used by the Indians, and back in the 1800s, cowboys started to use it too. This guy, his nickname was Hacksaw Tom, and he used to stay in that cave right there and hang out and wait for the stagecoach. You could see it either which way coming. And so from that cave, you got a great perspective. And as soon as the stagecoach was coming, he would hop out of the cave and rob the people in the stagecoach. And the legend has it, he never shot anyone, and he never got caught.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Down here we got the little lake. Oh, what? Said there's no water. So normally there's water flowing through this bad boy. She's drying up. So look at this. We came down this bad boy right there. That trail. Oh my God. Then look, hold on, let's see if I can get it. All the way up there. Way up there. Oh, it doesn't zoom in, but there's a left turn sign right up there. Dude, look at this. This goes way up. Wow. All right. Just had our little breaky break right there. Back on the Apache Trail, baby. Wow, look at this view. Lots of cars. Holy moly. So, let me see it right here. Woohoo! There we go, baby. The Gila monster! You got to see it! And a snake. Oh! Oh! I don't know if this thing's alive still or not. I think he is. Poor guy's trying to just get across the road. Wow, look. That thing goes down. Woohoo. Look at this, got the homie. Yeah. There's Area 52. Homie was talking about that. He said it's where Area 51 doesn't want their aliens, so they stuck them over here in Area 52. Oh, look at this. Got the Roosevelt. Ah, okay. Look at this. This guy's a silly man. Look at this. Out here on the bridge. Got the dam over there. There we go. Got some boats out on the lake. Look at the couple ski-doos. People chilling out on the water. Go ripping through the canyon, baby. Look at this view though. But look, we go up this trail or go down it right here, but then we're gonna be going up that. Woo-hoo. Look at this. Oh, look at the spot where the cave is at. Alright. Going up this little hilly hill. Look at this though. I was just way down there on that trail. Woohoo! Why did he get these guys cars? The old museum in this thing, the old lockbox. Homie. Got the Dutchman name. Little mercantile.
That's something we don't know. We'll take some pictures.
I mean, whew. All right, everybody. That was a fun trail. Not bad, Apache trail. Some views are pretty sweet, I gotta say. But look at this, got the little old church across the street. But yeah, here we go. Until the next video, baby. Let's go!